Hello everyone, I'm Salome De Wet and this is my beautiful model Grace. We are coming to you all the way from Cape Town, South Africa. And today we want to wish Topchic a happy birthday. Topchic has been a brand of choice for me since I started my hairdressing career almost 15 years ago. Today we're going to be using one of my absolute favorite colors in the Topchic range, and we're going to be pairing it with the Pure Pigments range. Let's have a look. So Grace has the most beautiful natural hair color. So the plan today is to really just enhance that. We want a very dimensional end result, but it's still like looking really natural and vibrant. I really believe that Topchic is the absolute best color to use if you ever want to do any coppers, any reds, and any intensity and vibrancy in hair. So on the root area, we're going to be using Topchic 7 kg, and we're going to be color balancing with Colorance 7 kg, and we're going to be using different variants of Pure Pigments in the different levels of her hair. So let's have some fun. What I love about Topchic color is it makes hair look like it could be the natural color. So I have a lot of clients that I use the 7 kg on, and I find that it's the perfect combination between the copper and the gold for it to look all natural with the dimensional finish, and especially using the Pure Pigments inside of the color, it gives you that iridescent natural use that you can almost get away with it being your natural color. So this is our final result. I really hope you enjoyed watching and celebrating with us. For more videos like this, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel.